We're in Miami Beach with Tessa, and it's really cool here. Nikki and Mommy didn't want to come. What? All right, we'll go in. We'll come in and back in a minute. Yeah, Miami Beach is kind of big. Yeah, let's just go see the water for like a minute. And wow, look at it, the water.
Dad, what's that ship?
I don't know. It's some sort of cargo ship. Miami Beach, 10th Street. Wow. This is actually the water. It's kind of nice. It's like bluish. But it's also very crowded.
I want to go by the water.
So go. Tessa, I'm coming. I'm not going in because I don't have flip-flops, so just go. This is South Beach in the back. We're actually at South Beach. Crazy busy. That's how is it? Is it warm? It's actually freaking awesome water. There's a ship in the back. How was it? Is the water warm?
Yeah, it's warm.
Wow, is that?
It's very clear. I'm gonna head back tomorrow, okay?
All right, this is it.